Hi folks, here we are. It's a bit of a chilly day today. It's about 10 degrees Celsius here in the Midwestern northern region of the country. And we are going to be doing a video today, and I apologize in advance of the wind noise if possible, of washing my customer's car. They just really want a clean of it. So we're going to start with an exterior. We're going to do this in phases and then do the interior and then complete the exterior with a nice shine. All right, so here we go. We're going to get going on this wash. Just so you know, this is a actual wheel brush or tire brush, and yes, I am using it on the actual wheel portion, but that's only because it's hubcaps, plastic hubcaps, so it's safe to use. Time for the fun part, snow foam. Now, time for a rinse, and then we drive the vehicle. All right, here we go. So here's a nice clean car. I'm not gonna actually do tire shine on these because these are the winter tires and we will be switching them out to summer tires, and they're just steel rims, so no real special attention needed. We'll just clean them up real nice once they're off the vehicle, and they'll look really good. Well, I'm just going to show you the dirty buckets, the clean and dirty buckets, and then that'll be a wrap for this. Well, there you have it. We now have a nice clean car for the customer. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you subscribe, hit the notification button. It helps me out a lot. I'm just a small little channel trying to grow it a little bit here. So thanks for watching, and I really appreciate your support. Stay tuned for part 2. We'll be protecting the outside of this vehicle. Thanks for watching. Here's the clean bucket. Not too dirty. Well, obviously it's a clean bucket. It wouldn't be. And this is the dirty.